You can find this printable sewing pattern in the description. Choose your size. Glue the pattern with a sticky tape. Add 1 cm seam allowance. Cut off this part to make front pattern. Cut 2 parts in mirror image. Cut 2 sleeves. Overlock all edges except the neckline. Sew sides, shoulders, sleeves, and lining on the pockets. Leave small opening. Flip the pockets. I will sew the pockets on the jacket by hand. Sew the sleeves. Fold the bottom edge 4 centimeters. Measure the length on your figure before sewing. Iron the folding line on the long neckline part. Sew the bottom edges of this part. Sew it to the jacket. Start sewing from middle of the back. Fold and sew the bottom of the sleeves. Good luck!